Welcome to OLC Stories. This story is Stop Monkeying Around. Little Monkey was rarely quiet. He loved to play games, even though the other animals did not always want to join in. Stop monkeying around, his mother said. But Little Monkey was a little monkey. Little Monkey was feeling playful. He saw Elephant drinking at the water hole. Stop monkeying around, bellowed Elephant. I'm trying to have a drink. Snake was trying to curl up for an afternoon nap, but Monkey thought it would be fun to swing on his tail. Stop monkeying around, hissed Snake, but Little Monkey just laughed and carried on. Parrot was in the trees, ruffling his beautiful feathers. Little Monkey just couldn't resist, trying to pull a feather. Stop monkeying around, squawked Parrot. Leave me alone. Tiger was playing with her cubs. That looks like fun, thought Monkey. Monkey swung down and landed on Tiger's back, grabbing hold of her tail and pulling at it. Stop monkeying around, growled Tiger, which frightened him a tiny bit. Monkey felt sad. Why did nobody want to play? Giraffe was busy eating leaves from tall trees. Hippo was busy bathing in the mud. Even the other monkeys were busy preening themselves. Little Monkey asked his mother, "What can I do? Nobody wants to play with me. Why don't you make up a game you can play quietly by yourself?" his mother suggested. Count some butterflies. Swing through the trees. So, Little Monkey sat quietly by himself. He counted butterflies. He counted birds. He even counted stick insects. He swung past the parrot, past the snake, past the elephant, past the hippo, past the butterflies, past the insects, past the birds, until... Oops! He swung smack bang into another little monkey just like him. Now, there were two little monkeys swinging through the trees. But this time, they didn't bother anyone else. They just had great fun playing together. The end. Thank you for watching OLC Stories. This is Stop Monkeying Around.